Good morning, friends. Welcome in my YouTube channel Gupta Sala. Friends, today is 20 April 2025, and here we will discuss all the current affairs of today. But before, let's do quick revision of yesterday current affairs. First question is: recently, who has become the first state to implement the three language policy? Answer is Maharashtra. Next question: where has a special handloom expo been launched recently? Answer is Noida. Next question is: recently which state police has launched the GP Drashti? It means drone response and aerial surveillance tactical intervention program. Answer is Gujarat. Next question is: which military leader has recently won the presidential election in Gabon? Answer is Brice Oligui Nguema. Next question is: where have the Cradle of Humanity caves reopened recently? Answer is South Africa. Next question is: which hospital has been recently declared as the best hospital in India by Newsweek and Statista? Answer is AIMS Delhi. Next question is: recently which state government has constituted a high level committee strengthen autonomy? आंसर हो जाएगा तमिलनाडु. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज: who has recently become India's largest trading partner for the fourth consecutive year? Answer is America. It means USA. Next question is: recently the Sehnai of which place has got the recognition of GI tag? Answer is Varanasi. Next question is: which country has recently assumed the chairmanship of governance committee of Interpol? Answer is UAE. Next question, 11 number question: which Indian armed force hosted the third edition of the Meteorology and Oceanography Symposium called Meghayan 25? Answer is Indian Navy. Next question is: which bank has become the first bank in India to install an automated teller machine, it means ATM, on a train? Answer is Bank of Maharashtra. Next question is: Silkyara Bend Barcode Tunnel, which was in news recently, is located in which state? Answer is Uttarakhand. Next question is: which state or UT has launched the eSehat app to improve healthcare access in April 2025? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Next question is: which country has recently confirmed the deployment of US anti-ship missile systems NMESIS for the Balaikatan military exercise? Answer is Philippines. Next question is: agreement signed to set up headquarter of International Big Cat Alliance, it means IBCA, in which country? Answer is India.
चलिए फ्रेंड्स, अब हम लोग आज के करंट अफेयर्स की चर्चा करते हैं. लेट्स सी टुडेज करंट अफेयर्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज: ऑन विच डे रिवर डे सेलिब्रेटेड? आंसर इज बी, 19th अप्रैल. इट मीन्स 19 अप्रैल. लेट्स सी डिटेल. एवरी ईयर ऑन 19 अप्रैल वर्ल्ड लिवर डे is celebrated to raise awareness about liver health. This year the theme of World Liver Day is Food is Medicine, which highlights the power of nutrition by preventing liver disease. Next question is: who has recently been selected for WEF, it means World Economic Forum Young Global Leader 2025? Answer is D, Ram Mohan Naidu. Let's see detail. Ram Mohan Naidu, the youngest cabinet minister of the Modi government, has been selected as the Young Global Leader 2025 by World Economic Forum. This prestigious global honor is given to influential changes or change makers under the age of 40. Young Global Creators is an initiative of World National Force which engages people who promote innovation, production, and solid leadership in the market. Next question is: who has released a book titled संस्कृति का पांचवा अध्याय, a compilation of speeches of Prime Minister? Answer is B. Swami Avdesanand Giri. Swami Avdesanand Giri is right answer. A book titled संस्कृति का पांचवा अध्याय, a compilation of speeches given by Prime Minister Modi on various occasions, was released in New Delhi. Juna's chief Acharya Mahamandleshwar Swami Avdesanand Giri has released the book. Next question is, who has been appointed as Secretary in Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs? Answer is B. Nikunj Bihari Dhal or Dhal. Let's see detail. Nikunj Bihari Dhal has been appointed as the Secretary of Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs. He will take over after the current Secretary on 30th June 2025. Next question is, Isuzu Motors India has registered a growth of what percentage in its stock? Answer is A. 24%. Let's see detail. A glimpse has been seen in the sales of Isuzu Motors bookmark that financial company has depicted its sale for the year 2025. The company has registered a strong growth of 24% in its stock, reaching to 20,312 units in financial year 2025. Next question is, FIUIND has signed MOU for better cooperation and workplace placement. Answer is A. Reserve Bank of India. Let's see detail. In a statement issued by Ministry of Finance, it was said that FIUIND and RBI have entered into an agreement for better cooperation and association document. This agreement includes improving mutual cooperation efforts toward the Money Laundering Support Act and Assembly. Next question is, who has inaugurated the National Stakeholder Consultation on Long-Term Market for Food Business, Emerging Global Trends and Regulatory Framework, organized by FSSAI? Let's see answer. Answer is A. Pratap Rao Jadhav. Let's see detail. Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare Sri Pratap Rao Ganpat Rao Jadhav inaugurated the Food Safety and Standard for Business, organized by Food Safety and Standard Authority of India in Mumbai. Next question is, recently which international naval force has proposed a joint naval exercise with the Indian Navy under Operation Atlanta? Answer is D. European Union Naval Forces. Let's see detail. The European Union Naval Force has proposed a joint naval exercise with the Indian Navy under Operation Atlanta. This exercise is planned to be held in the Western Indian Ocean and the Red Ocean in late 2025. Its main objective is to strengthen maritime cooperation and coordination between European force and Indian Navy or Naval. The proposal has come due to take pirate robbery and asthma in Red Sea region, especially near the Horn of Africa. Unlike regular passage targets, it means PASEX, this exercise will include tactical maneuver, anti-piracy action and communication training. Operation Atlanta began in 2008 as a European Union mission to fight piracy near Somalia. Next question is, which Indian state has officially approved DPS Flamingo Lake as a conservation reserve? Answer is A. Maharashtra. Let's see detail. The Maharashtra State Wildlife Board has approved the declaration of DPS Flamingo Lake as a conservation reserve. It is the first wetland attached to the Thane Creek Flamingo Sanctuary. It means TCFS to receive such protection. The lake is a major feeding and resting spot for flamingo during tide. High tide. A committee was formed after 17 flamingo died in 2023 due to a tidal intel being blocked. About 60% of the algae filled lake has been cleaned, allowing the flamingo. Two returned experts from the Bombay Natural History Society have warned that the loss of wetland could lead to a huge loss of habitat for the flamingo. Next question is, what is K218b, which is being said in the news recently? Answer is B. Exoplanet. Let's see detail. A strong sign of extraterrestrial life have been found on the exoplanet K218b, located in the constellation Leo, 124 light years away from Earth. This is the second and more hopeful detection case of the myth related to life in the planetary constellation. These findings were made using the James Webb Space Telescope launched in December 2021. The James Webb Space Telescope is the most powerful space observatory built by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, it means NASA, the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency, it means CSA. A team from the University of Cambridge, led by Professor Nikku Madhusudan, studied the planet Tyr. They found chemical traces of dimethyl disulfide and dimethyl sulfide on Earth. These gases are produced only by marine phytoplankton and some substances. This increases the possibility of biological activity on K218b. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चलिए फ्रेंड्स इस सेशन का लास्ट क्वेश्चन, लेट्स सी लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस सेशन. Question is, which two classical Indian texts were recently inscribed in the Register of Memories of the World in April 2025? Answer is A. Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra. Let's see detail. Srimad Bhagavad Gita and Bharat Muni's Natya Shastra have been included in the World Register of Memory. With this now, 14 records of our country have been included in the Register of Records. UNESCO Memorial of the World Register is an international initiative which was started by UNESCO in 1992. Its objective is to identify, preserve, and reach out to the people the important documentary heritage of the world. Friends, today current affairs session is end. Please subscribe my channel and like, share, and comment on my video. Thank you. Have a great day.